Hey guys, how are you? I hope you guys are well. In this video, I am going to show you how you can install Google Chrome browser on newly installed Windows 10 operating system on your computer. So when you install Windows 10 on your laptop, computer or PC, wherever, you won't be able to open Google Chrome because it has not been installed because the default browser of your computer then was Microsoft Edge. Let's see how we can download Google Chrome on newly installed Windows 10 operating system. So for that you have to go to Start, then search here Microsoft Edge. This is your default browser for Windows 10. Then open this. Okay, after coming to this browser Microsoft Edge, you have to search Google Chrome, then search Google Chrome. You will see an option called download Chrome. Okay, click on here. Okay, there's no place like Chrome, then you will see a button called download Chrome. Click on here. Okay, as you can see that Google Chrome setup has been downloaded. Now open this in folder. So this is your file has downloaded. Now click on here and run as administrator. Okay, then click on yes. Okay, connect to the internet. You have to connect to your Wi-Fi or whatever internet you use. So downloading, 6 minutes remaining. Okay, it will take some time. You have to be patient. Almost done. That's 16 seconds remaining. That means it will take 14 seconds to download. 9 seconds, 8 seconds, 6 seconds, 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds. Then your download completed. Okay, you have to wait in here. Okay, this is installing, as you can see. So it is taking time. It depends on your computer speed. So it has installed. Yeah. So the Google Chrome has installed. Okay. Give a username. Done. So this is your newly Google Chrome browser when you installed Google Chrome. So now you can use whatever you want. Sports, if I search sports, yeah, now Google Chrome has installed. Okay, one more thing I want to show you that here you will see an option called Google Chrome in your desktop. And if you want to make it pin on taskbar, you have to click on Google Chrome, then then it already has been pinned to taskbar. You have to click on, you will see an option called pin to taskbar. If you click on pin to taskbar, the Google Chrome icon will show in your taskbar options. So thank you, thanks for watching. I hope this video will help you a lot.